Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Rawat and today I am reporting from Pusa IRI, New Delhi, where our Krishi Jagran is organizing its third edition of Millennial Farmer of India 2025. So today I am connecting a very progressive farmer, our young entrepreneur, farmer icon 40 under 40 from Gujarat, Sumit Charia. Sir, please tell me about yourself.
Okay. Namaste सभी को and I am working on agri-tourism and exotic mango farm.
जी.
So we are operating a mango farm in Gujarat Gir Forest where we are growing more than 300 types of mango varieties. So why we are doing this is because we want to establish models where farmers can earn more than the common varieties. Like Kesar is the most common variety in Gujarat, which approximately farmer can sell around 50 to 100 rupees. Okay, so what we are trying to do is we are working on varieties which are performing very well in our climate, and the taste of these varieties is appropriate for the market. So if these two things match, the farmer can easily sell new varieties for 200 to 300 rupees kg. And plus we are also developing models about high density mango farming. Like we are implementing the latest technologies where the farmers can visit our farms and see how we are adapting new technologies and which are the new varieties if they want to cultivate mango farm. Plus we are also working on agri-tourism. So we have a resort established in Gir Forest for more than 25 years right now, and it is a integrated model where we are generating revenue from the farm produce also, and a lot of people are visiting our farm, they are staying there and purchasing our produces.
That's really beautiful, sir. Sir, when you have started farming into mangoes and on the fruits, when have you started the farming in mango cultivation?
So actually this business is established since 3 generations. My grandfather had started mango farming, and when my father joined, he started a mango nursery and a resort.
Okay, you are carrying forward the orchard.
We are
You
the
have
third generation.
established. Yes. So what kind of problems you have faced earlier when you have joined the farming?
So with the time we have faced many different challenges.
Yeah.
Initially, during the starting days, it was about awareness.
Okay.
Like a lot of people didn't know about Gir Forest, so we were having a lot of challenges to market our resort, and there was lack of knowledge. So getting proper yield
Yeah.
from mangoes was also a challenge. If I speak about the current challenges, it is change in climate. So climate change is the biggest challenge right now, and we need to keep innovating. Like now farmers have started using fruit protection bag to protect the fruits against untimely rains. So these are the challenges that we need to still work on.
Sir, what is your education qualifications?
I have
Is
done,
it agriculture?
actually I have done MSc in biotechnology.
Okay. So why you have chosen the agriculture and farming?
Actually, I wanted to continue the generational legacy that
Okay.
my grandfather and father had developed, and personally, I had a passion for agriculture.
Okay. So what do you want to say young youth who want to join agriculture and farming or orchard like horticulture?
So, agriculture, when done right, it has lots of profits. So, you need to implement science along with agriculture to
Yes.
get the best results, and you need to keep innovating. You need to bring something new to the market. Only then you can earn more than what an average farmer earns.
So, sir, you are awarded by Farmer Icon 40 under 40. How is your experience and how you are feeling right now to having this award?
Yeah, so it feels good when our work is appreciated, and it is also a media by which a lot of other farmers can know what innovative work we are doing, and they can also adapt in their own farm and get better returns. So that is our ultimate aim, to develop models where the farmer can earn more.
Yeah, I can see your ID card and you are also the part of the Global Farmer Business Network. How is your experience? Can you share please to our all audience and all the farmers who want to connect for GFBN, Global Farmer Business Network?
So it is a very unique initiative started by Krishi Jagran, Like we know, all other industries they have their own association, but for farmers as such, there is no networking even. So this becomes a very good platform to market our produce and for the sellers to get good quality suppliers.
Yes, sir. So once again, a very, very congratulations for Farmer Icon 40 under 40, and thanks for connecting us with Krishi Jagran. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.